What's going on, people? Michael G. Davis, Brooks & Davis Real Estate Firm, CEO, broker, here for the first tour of 2019. Happy New Year, everybody. We're going to take a look at our property here at 8823 Bird Forest. So I'm standing outside right here in the front of this magnificent beauty that we got here on the north side of Houston. It's close to Antoine, it's close to West Montgomery, it's just close to what's happening. So we're going to take a tour of this property. I'm going to go ahead and start with the back. We're going to walk through the back of the property first, see how much land. It's a corner lot. See, I'm right here on the corner. This lot, see? So that's the corner. It's always good to be on a corner. Get two sides of activity on this particular property. So it's definitely on a corner. And you know what that means when you're on a corner? You got one of the biggest lots in the neighborhood. So let's start off in the back. Let's take a look at that lot and how big it is before we go on the inside of the property. Come with me. All right, so we're going through the back. All right, look how big this lot is. Look how much land we got on this bad boy. Land, lots of land. Large yard. See? Look at all of that. And again, remember, it's a corner lot. So guess what? We expect there to be a large yard. And it doesn't, fellas. It is a large yard. So there's lots of potential when it comes to this house. Now, the house does need some work, so I prepare you for that. It is gonna need some work, some loving, some nurturing, but I think at the price that we're asking, we are definitely under market value what we're asking. So it's a great opportunity for somebody to come in and buy this house. All right. So again, I wanted to showcase the back first because, you know, whenever I do these tours, I like to showcase some of the best attributes of the property. And for this particular one, because it is on a corner lot, the fact that you got a large piece of land is a plus. So I wanted to start off with that. Because look, I'm not naive enough to believe that y'all gonna stick with me through the whole video. So at least I can start off with the better features of the property. That's all I'm saying. So let's take a look at the inside. I already kind of showed you the neighborhood. So it's a neighborhood. It's a very, not too much noise other than the dump truck that's making all that noise behind us. But, you know, not a lot of traffic. Nice, unique, mature homes. Nice, quiet neighborhood. One of the better neighborhoods on this side of town. And then there goes that dump truck making all that noise. But again, our property is 8823 Bird Forest. That's the front of it. We are gonna go take a look out of that bad boy. So y'all come with me and let's check it out. Check out the property. Again, we're only asking $127. I think it's $974 is what we're asking for it. But look, it's all good. So let's go in. We're going in through the front door. So when you walk in, this is kind of what you see. Big, large, nice, formal dining area to the left. Towering ceilings. I love those kind of ceilings that have that slant upward. And then you walk right up into the stairway. So what we'll do is we'll start at the bottom and just work our way around. So right here to the left, is kind of like the utility area. So when you walk in, this is the garage. Sorry, to the right. See if that lets us in there. There we go. So here's our garage. So when you first walk in, right to the right is your garage. Then you have your half bath, your guest bath. You can check that out. And yeah, it's dated, so it does need some update, which is cool. You know what that means? That means you can make it your own. Put your touch, your stamp on this bad boy once you get it. Alright, so now we're walking into, I guess, kind of like your dining room. Glad that truck's out of there. That truck was making all kind of noise. But, you know what, Natasha, I will tell you what neighborhood it is once I get back to my MLS write-up. But it's right here on the north side, close to Antoine and West Montgomery. But I'll definitely tell you, Natasha, what neighborhood it is. But this is so this is kind of like our little dining area. I mean, the living room area. This is kind of where you would probably want to set up your TV, your couch, where you're lounging with everybody. So it's like when you come from the front of the house, you walk right into this area. You got your little wet bar. And again, like I said, it's a little dated, but that's cool. Put your touch on it. Put your magic onto this property. You will be getting it under market value. Anyway, so that'll give you some breathing room to go in there and put some repairs onto the property and make it your own. So right side of the kind of living area, you have your kitchen. So it's a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. As you can see, it's a lot of cabinet space. That's the one good thing about, you know, these older homes that have character. They give you things like a lot of storage, right? That's your pantry, a lot of cabinets, and a lot of counter space is what you typically get out of these homes that have the kind of nostalgic character when you're going on the inside of it. All right, so we have our living room. Well, this is kind of like our formal dining. I just showed you the living room right here. Remember, this is 8823 Bird Forest. So this is kind of like your formal dining. As soon as you walk in to your left, see, that's the front door. As soon as you walk in to your left, you walk into the formal dining, which will also take you into the kitchen. So again, we got those really nice ceilings. All right, so like what I just showed you behind me is the stairs. So as soon as you walk into the house, you can go right up to the stairs. So now we're going to go ahead and check out the upstairs, see what this bad boy is all about as far as walking up these stairs and seeing the upstairs of the house. Again, we're asking $127,974 is what we're asking for this beauty. It does need some repair, some work. Just means it just needs some love. It needs somebody to come love it. Come put in some new carpets. Come put some paint in it, on it. Right? Come update it. Give it some countertops, right? Some granite. Give it some love so you can come to it. So this is one of the bedrooms. All of the bedrooms upstairs. Another good thing about these older homes is, especially for the price, you get a lot of space for the price. God forbid you want this size house and with this square footage, you is not going to be paying $127,974. Believe me, you will not be paying that. You will be paying way more than that for a home that's larger than 2,000 square feet. Trust me. All right, so here's another bedroom. The second bedroom is upstairs. And again, it needs a little bit of love. Needs some carpet, needs some paint. Definitely needs some new ceiling fans, if you see what I'm saying. But what I do love about especially these kind of homes is like the balcony. You get that overlook. I know in some of my other videos, y'all might have seen how I feel about the overlook. But I love the overlook. You can be upstairs and you can look down, see what everybody's doing. Like Nino Brown from New Jack City. Y'all remember what movie that? Y'all remember New Jack City. So that's the overlook. All right, so here's the other bathroom. So this is the guest bath. See, you got 2 sinks. There's your tub. There's your commode. But you see, it's a nice sized bathroom, right? You can do a lot of moving around. Not tight, not up on each other. Right? It has 2 sinks. So if you got muchos niños, you got kids, they can share the bathroom and not be up on each other. So nice sized bathroom. All right, and then here's the master bed. The master bed. It's the last bedroom of the house. Again, everything's upstairs, but look how big it is. The master bedroom is humongous. See? Look at all that. Look at all that space for you and what you want to do with it. You come in here, you put in the kind of carpet that you want. You put in the kind of curtains or blinds that you want. But can't you just imagine having all this space, come home from work, hard day's work, coming up these stairs and having all this space to yourself? It's magical. Think about it. Envision it. All right, so there's one closet. All right, and then the other closet is inside of the master suite. So we're going to walk inside of the master suite. Check this out. Ooh, look at that thing right there. How many of y'all have seen that in a bathroom? Dual-sided sinks. Not only are the sinks not on the same side, they're on opposite sides. So you really ain't got to touch each other when you're in the bathroom. Married couples, how many of y'all seem like it just ain't enough space in the master bath? Well, this one, you ain't going to have that problem. You're going to have more than enough space for your master bath. So yes, it needs work, right? We checking out the floors. They need repaired. It's dated. We need new closets. Yeah, we got all that going on. But guess what? It's got good bones. It's got good structure. It's got good size. It has a good yard, a good sized yard with it being a corner lot. So it is a beautiful opportunity for the right buyer. Because guess what? I only need one. I only need one buyer. I don't need a whole bunch of buyers. I just need one. So the right buyer, after they see this video, they see our marketing that we're going to push out, they'll come along and they'll take it off our hands. That could be you though. Because I know it's somebody looking at it and it's like, you know what, I want that house. Now guess what? It may be somebody that's looking at this video and you may not want this house, unfortunately, but you want a house. And look, you may even feel that you can't get the house. Well, you don't know though, because sometimes, a lot of times, especially what we found, is you just need to talk to somebody, like myself, or a lender, or somebody that is a professional in this business. So we can help you with that as well. All right, so that kind of concludes my tour. First tour of 2019, 8823 Bird Forest. Give you one last look at the outside. We're asking $127,974. Natasha, I'm going to get back to you as far as the neighborhood, so you'll know what that is. And again, I'm going to post this on our YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go there, Brooks and Davis. Look up Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. You'll be able to see other properties that we've toured, other programs that we have. If you are interested in real estate, whether looking to buy, whether looking to sell, rent an apartment, commercial, whatever the case, visit our offers sheet. It's bit.ly/BDREF offers, and that BDREF is all capitalized. So bit.ly/BDREF offers, and the offers is lowercase, and you'll be able to see everything that we offer as a real estate company. I'm also going to put it in the description. You guys have a great one. Continue to enjoy your 2019. Happy New Year. Great things ahead of us. We'll be talking to you soon. Have a good one.